check this out.
I'm
All right,
excited.
here we go.
Can I?
Sure, you can hold it. So what this is a trophy for the Pinball Asylums League, and it goes 12 months. So it's from January to December. So it's a long, drawn out, blah, blah, you know, but it's a lot of fun.
It's not, I'm sorry, Southwest Florida. It is not a blah, blah. This says first.
Can they get a close-up of that? Probably not, but it's, yeah, it's pretty cool. It's got the little monsters on top because that's their kind of signature, and it's called the Pinball Asylum.
Yeah.
So everybody that plays there is like an inmate, like you're at a real asylum.
Yeah.
Sometimes I feel like I'm a real inmate when I'm playing pinball for 12 hours.
Can we be clear about what the first means? I know, as you can see, Eric Stone is incredibly humble.
We'll do it.
But Stone, what is this? What does this mean for you, Pinball Asylum in general? What does this mean?
Well, the Pinball Asylum is actually hosting the World Championship.
Yep.
And lots of people, the best 64 people from the world, are going to be right here in Fort Myers the end of May.
And I'm sorry,
and
that's including you.
That's
all right, there we go.
I guess I'll be there. I'll show up.
Whatever,
I'll
Stone.
show up. But yeah, it's located in Fort Myers, and about 100 pinballs. It's an awesome collection, and it's kind of like my first home. My first home, not my second.
Right, we know.
I asked them if I could sleep there, if I could. But they said no.
Really big for the community, Stone. Thanks for showing us that.
That means we have to go to weather now. All right, you know what? It rained today. Northport over an inch of rain. Port Charlotte as well. Clewiston over an inch. Punta Gorda just under an inch of rain. Lee County nearly 2/3 of an inch of rain. Northwest Cape Coral, Estero, and Bonita Springs just over 6/10 of an inch. So it seems like the farther north you went, you see a little bit more in the way of rain in the gauges. While Storm Shield Doppler radar looking pretty good. Not much in the way of rain in Lee County, but Charlotte County still right around Murdoch. A couple of very light rain areas. El Jobim, this is moving to the north toward Northport, and also in the Englewood and Venice area, rain now ending for you there. But I do think we'll have a little bit more in the way of shower activity come tomorrow. Still plenty of moisture, as you can see in the Florida Straits, that is making its way into southeast Florida, but it is heading in this direction. Not as much rain expected tomorrow as what we're seeing, or what we already saw today, but satellites still showing those clouds coming in from the southeast. So partly to mostly cloudy at times. Our predictor showing you not much rain in the morning on your Sunday. A few showers possible Sunday afternoon, much like today, but again, not as much rain in the gauges tomorrow as compared to today. Evening looking pretty good, but then cold front comes in from the northwest. Monday morning, considerable amount of clouds. Still a slight chance of a shower before the front comes in, but front's going to move through overnight Monday into Tuesday. That's the best chance of rain. And then once this pushes through, a little bit more in the way of sunshine Tuesday and cooler temperatures. Well, I mentioned cooler temperatures, but look, the next 3 nights, upper 60s and low 70s. Here's the cooler weather Wednesday and Thursday, just in time for 2020. Mother Nature wants to get her hand in the action. Temperatures dropping into the mid-50s. Look at these temperatures today, running around 10 degrees above average. 85 Fort Myers, 84 Naples, 82 Punta Gorda and Port Charlotte. Currently in Fort Myers, 73, but notice the dew points right around 70, typical of what we see in the middle of the summer. 74 in Naples, and Punta Gorda at 72, light wind out of the east and southeast expected through the overnight hours. As you wake up, temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s. It will be mild and it will be humid, and of course getting warm by noontime, right around 80 degrees with that mixture of sun and clouds. Isolated threat of rain throughout the day on Sunday. A wind out of the southeast and south will continue to enable the humid temperatures here in southwest Florida. And now look, boaters, 74-degree water temperature off Fort Myers Beach, and that wind at 10 knots southeast in the morning, south in the afternoon. I showed you a lower chance of rain on Monday into Monday night. Cold front comes through, so we start 2020 cooler, but at least sunnier. Temperatures in the mid-70s. Thursday, though, 80 degrees. Friday and Saturday, as another front comes in, it looks like we'll have a slight chance of rain Saturday, a high of 78.